Located in Betws-y-Coed at the heart of Snowdonia is Treetop Adventure, an unique, fully equipped high rope centre. With a wide range of activities and facilities available suitable for the whole family, Treetop Adventure is listed as one of Wales's top 10 attractions. From stag and hen parties to school groups, birthday parties or just getting away for the weekend, we cater for all occasions. Our fully trained staff are at hand to familiarise you with the equipment used as well as support you while on your adventure. Based on what you want to achieve, our Treetop trainers are some of the UK's leading outdoor personal development facilitators. Assess the abilities of your team and create a programme to get the results you're looking for. Climb aboard the Skyride if you dare, Europe's highest and first 5-seater giant swing. For adventurers who are looking for something a little higher, plummet from the summit. Towering over 31 metres high is Treetop Tower, home to Powerfan Plummet, the world's highest Powerfan parachute simulator. Our qualified instructors fit you out in a full body harness, helmet and carabiner. You will then receive a comprehensive safety briefing and all safety equipment is provided. For further information about opening hours, activities and so forth, contact us via our website, Facebook or Twitter.